Guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Spotify app on Windows. So let's get started. Go to search bar. Now type Microsoft Store. As you can see on the top here, Microsoft Store. Click on it. Now on the home page, you have to go to search bar. Then type Spotify. As you can see here, Spotify. Click on it. Now Spotify Music and Podcast. This application you can see here. Click on it. Uh, As I've already downloaded it, you have to install and download here. It will take few seconds. After downloading Spotify app, click on open. Now Spotify app will show here. Now it will show you to sign in on or sign up. You can sign up for free and you can purchase further uh, inbuilt premium facilities in the Spotify app itself. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to install and download uh, Spotify app on Windows. I hope you like it. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.